Exciting news, Kabalen! SM Supermalls is proud to partner with the Philippine Star para king Nakaka-Bazaar Year 3, the Grand Nakaka-Local Fair. Ang gaganapan king SM City Clark ngayon May 24 to 25, 2025. This year, mas pepasayahing event na iti ang makasentro kareng kaya nakang negosyante ning Pilipinas, ring millennials at ring Gen Zs.
We started Nakaka-Local with only 18 MSMEs promoting their unique products. And ngayon, I'm proud to say that our star MSMEs ay 1,225 na po. And magiging isang community na siya going into year 4.
Get ready for a vibrant experience as MSMEs o micro, small, and medium enterprises showcase their unique offerings, food, fashion, at art.
On behalf of RD Secretary Maria Cristina Roque and the entire Department of Trade and Industry, we extend our warm congratulations to Philstar Media Group for successfully organizing this Year 3 of the Nakaka-Local.
Bilang venue partner, balawos ang commitment ng SM Supermalls na di na lang pamikatagon ring MSMEs na sumulong, mag-stand out at mag-shine king national platform. Let's get ready to shop, slay, and support local, the SM style. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.